Hello, I'm Reza Mafurian, a pharmacist. In this video, we want to make a natural mouthwash with clove extract. If you'd like, stay with us until the end of this video. To make this mouthwash, which is very easy and also very beneficial, we need 5 milliliters of clove extract and 100 milliliters of either warmed water, if you want to use tap or mineral water, or 100 milliliters of distilled water. This natural mouthwash has antibacterial properties, eliminates bad breath, and is an antiseptic and pain reliever for gums and teeth. We made the clove extract in the previous video. We separate 5 milliliters of it. It's also very simple. Next, we carefully transfer the substance into a clean glass beaker. Once that is done, we proceed to measure out exactly 100 milliliters of distilled water, or warm water if preferred, and slowly pour it into the beaker, making sure to stir the mixture thoroughly until everything is completely dissolved and well combined. Do not use the pure extract for your mouth under any circumstances because it is very irritant and will burn your mouth. We stir it well for about 2 or 3 minutes. And you can easily transfer the mixture into any bottle of your choice and then simply make it a part of your routine to use it every single night. In this channel, we try to teach how to make herbal products and cosmetic hygiene products that we use on a daily basis. If these types of videos are useful for you, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and like the videos.